And now the next in line to the unveiling is Pescara. It's in a very vibrant shade of magenta red. Let's see. Okay, let's start with the front of the shirt, which is the boring embroidery in this chicken effect. और इसकी बेस जो है वो बहुत ही interestingly enough leopard print में है. And the embroidery continues till the end of the length. Okay, here we go. Let's open the entire length and see it this way. Okay, let me get the rest of the pieces on the top. This is the lace that goes with the hair of the pants. As you can see in the picture, it's very nicely done to give it a very elegant, decent look. This is to give the added length to your outfit and can even be used if you're making a small shirt just for styling purpose. Here comes the patches that go on the shirt wherever you want to place them. That can be on the shoulders, sleeves. We prefer to put them on the sleeves. This isn't the boring embroidery. Boring as in chicken, of course. Okay, now this is the digital printed back and sleeves, as I'm sure is pretty apparent here. ये आपका क्रिंकल शिफॉन का डिजिटल प्रिंटेड दुपट्टा है इसके साथ, एंड द प्लेन ट्राउजर ऑफ कोर्स, जिसकी लेस मैं आपको पहले दिखा चुकी हूँ. ओके, नाउ इसके साथ जो हमें एक्सेसरीज प्रोवाइडेड हैं, लेट्स ओपन इट अप एंड सी व्हाट इज इन देयर. वीव गॉट द 3D flowers, the buttons and the hanging bowls. So everything is in there. Hope your styling goes well and you enjoy wearing it. So we continue with the series of unwrapping the Mushq 2020 collection. This is Catania. Chalo ji, let's see it. It's a beautifully peach colored chicken front. Okay, let's see. Here it goes. This is the lining fabric. It's quite sheer, पतला सा है, गर्मी भी नहीं लगेगी और आपका see through भी नहीं होगा, which makes it more comfortable than using a camisole, of course. And then we have the pure crinkle chiffon digital printed dupatta with it. Gale ki lace, which is totally beautifully embroidered in delicate tones, as you can see. And interestingly, the pants patches, which can be used on the pants, appliqued very nicely, which gives a very modern look in a butterfly toned one. This is for the घेरा of the shirt, और ये embroidered chicken lace है for the pants का घेरा. ठीक है जी. Then we have digital printed back, which is nicely toned in with summery colors, and the plain trouser, of course, जिसके ऊपर applique patch आना है और वो border आना है. This is for the sleeves, as you can see in the picture too. काफ़ी abundantly ये भी है, so you won't have any trouble sorting all these details out. अब I hope आपके tailors interesting आपके stitch कर दें. Oh, and of course इस साल की collection के added bonus and most attractive part is कि ये जो buttons साथ हैं, balls, ये चीज़ें, इस सूट के साथ हमारे buttons हैं in the same toned fabric. Enjoy wearing Catania.